Ready to share your project with the world. Today, we'll deploy your GitHub repository as a live website. First, make sure your website code resides on GitHub. Think HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Navigate to your GitHub account and create a new repository. Give it a clear name, choose public or private access, and initialize it with a README file. Upload your website files to this repository. Be sure to commit changes with descriptive messages. Now, let's use GitHub Pages. Go to your repository settings tab and scroll to the Pages section. Under Source, select the branch for deployment. Likely the main branch if you are using a static site. Then you're finished. Your website should become live very quickly. Check the generated link and celebrate your new website. Got your own domain. Many services, such as Netlify, offer GitHub integration for simplified deployment. Connect your GitHub repo and follow their deployment process. Link your domain, and your site will be live in minutes. #GitHub #web deployment.